everybody and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I created the unicorn horn in 5 different styles. I used different products to create 5 different unicorn horns, if that makes any sense whatsoever. So I used acrylic, I used builder gel, I used Miss You Beauty's Pro Gel, I used diamond glitter gel. So all these different techniques I used in order to create 5 different unicorn horns. Cute. So so I shall show you how I created my unicorn horns, telling you which products I use as I go along. So the first one, I used these acrylic powders and liquid. I've got Snow Mountain here and Skylight. So they're beautiful, beautiful colours here. So just with my acrylic brush, I just apply the first one to the cuticle area and just pat it down, just brush it down the nail, fade it down basically, because I wanted to create like an ombre effect. So then with the blue one, I just go in at the tip area and just fade that one up. I created this nail a little bit thicker because of what I was going to do with it. Basically, I'm going to use the E-file to create the unicorn horn. So as you can see, I'm just trying to get the perfect ombre. I haven't worked with acrylic for a while on myself. I have with other people, obviously, but not on myself. So, and I'm doing it left-handed, so it's not as easy as what some people might think. So yes, I just fade those 2 colours together, create the perfect ombre look. As you can see, that white is like, I don't know, it's got some kind of iridescence to it. It is beautiful. And I'm so chuffed with these 2 colours together. I actually really, really do like them. So yeah, I'm just trying to get it all even, all over the nail. And then I go in with my clear acrylic liquid and powder and just encapsulate those colours there, those acrylic powders, so that perfect ombre look remains the same, because I don't want that to change. So then with my cuticle nail cuticle E-file bit, sorry, I just go around the cuticle area just to make sure that is really lovely and flush with my cuticle. And then I go in with a different type of drill bit, sorry, just to create the delves in the nail. So I got this idea from Tony Lee on Instagram. I watch him all the time. I love his designs. So that's where I got the idea for this nail from. So as you can see, I'm just going in at a particular angle just so that I can create these delves in the nail. Obviously, you've got to be ever so careful not to go through the entire acrylic, which is why I did it thicker than really I needed to. So I just go over that, just going down the nail, creating these lovely little delves. Yeah, so I carried on with this, and then I went in with another drill bit just to smooth out all of those lines, just to make sure that it was all perfect the way I wanted it to be. I really quite like. I think this is actually probably my favourite way of creating the unicorn horn now. I've decided. I normally use gel, but this is probably my all-time favourite way of doing it. Like I said, I haven't used acrylic on myself for a while. I've normally been using builder gel, but I actually do miss using acrylic. So you might see a few more acrylic nails on my channel in the upcoming weeks to come. So yeah. So I'm just going over those lines, just making them a bit deeper and a bit more pronounced so that it does actually look like a unicorn horn. I really like it. It's cute. So just wipe off the excess dust there, and then with my non-wipe UV gel top coat, I just go over that nail, being careful not to go over the little delves that I've got there. Just go through them at an angle to make sure that they're still very pronounced, because obviously that's the whole point of the design, and there it is. So on my forefinger I'm using Brush Up Builder Gel in the shade Porcelain 02. So I'm just going in. I'm also doing an infill on this nail, guys, which is why it's a bit thicker than normal, because I am doing an infill on these nails. So I'm just applying that a little bit thicker than normal. So I just cure this layer of builder gel in my lamp for 60 seconds, and then I go in with a second coat, not quite as thick this time, but maybe really just to get that bolder colour. And then with the same brush, this is my second way of creating the unicorn horn, I just go in here and just with a little bit extra on the brush, and I'm just going down the nail, curing each little bit of gel that I put on there, so that it doesn't flatten out, because it does self-level, which can be annoying when you're trying to do a 3D design. So with my gel number 6 brush, I'm just going in over those lines, just going round them, sorry, just to thin them out a little bit and create a bit more of a pronounced shape there, as you can see. So yeah, I make sure that I cure each one for 60 seconds, and then I'm going in with my non-wipe UV gel top coat, cure that for 60 seconds in my LED lamp, and then I have this beautiful unicorn horn chrome powder. How amazing is that? So hence why I chose to do unicorn horns this week. I really wanted to show off this chrome powder. It is beautiful. Look at that. I love it. Gives it like a real iridescent cut. Oh, I love it. So then I go over with top coat and cure it for 60 seconds. So again, with baby blush in the builder gel, I'm going in, I'm doing another infill as well, so it's a little bit thicker than normal. So, but I'm making sure that I do cover the nail in this brush up builder gel in baby blush here. And I just cure that in my LED lamp for 60 seconds. And then again, I'm going in with another coat just to make sure that the colour is, that the nail is fully covered basically, so you can't see through that. And then with Mermaid Tail here and with a fine detail brush, I'm just going in here. So I'm doing this before I've actually cured the last layer of the brush up builder gel, so that the colour just sort of, I don't know how you say it, just sort of, I'm working wet on wet basically, just because I really like how the effect that you get from it. I love it. So yeah, as you can see, it's sort of spreading out a little bit. So I've cured that, and then I'm just going in with another layer of the Mermaid Tail, just to get those, just to get it a bit more pronounced again. And then I cure it, and then I go in with my non-wipe UV gel top coat and cure that for 60 seconds. And there is that design. So then again with porcelain on my ring finger, just go in, do another infill with that, and then cure that first layer in my LED lamp for 60 seconds. And then I go in with the second coat again and cure that in my LED lamp for another 60 seconds. I really like this porcelain, I think it's real elegant. And then with my non-wipe UV gel top coat, I just place that on the nail and cure that for 60 seconds. And then with Pro Gel in the shade Wedding Dress and a glitter, I just go in and apply some unicorn delves to this nail. I don't know what you call these things actually, just I'm creating the unicorn horn. So, and again, with this being a Pro Gel, it's quite thick, so they are quite pronounced. With my little teaspoon and my glitter, I just sprinkle that before I've cured those, before I've cured them. And then I go and cure them for 30 seconds, sorry. And then I get rid of the excess glitter and apply my top coat. So then on the ring finger, no, the little finger, sorry, in Beige Shimmer. I really like this colour. It's got a shimmer to it, obviously. I like it a lot. So I do apply 2 coats of this and cure each coat in my LED lamp for 60 seconds. And then with this diamond glitter in rose quartz, how amazing is this diamond glitter? Honestly can't get enough of it, and I just think this is the perfect combo here. Perfect colour combo to match with the builder gel. So with my gel number 6 brush, I just apply this colour or this diamond glitter to my nail in the form of a unicorn horn. And you can't see it at the moment, but the colours in this diamond glitter really, truly are amazing. There you go, there's a bit more of a better view of it there. Look at it. Iridescent pieces in there, it's beautiful. So cure that in my LED lamp, and then I apply non-wipe UV gel top coat and cure that for 60 seconds. So then I apply cuticle oil to those nails, and here are my unicorn horns. So thank you so much for watching my video this week, guys. I really do appreciate it. If you enjoyed this video, as always, please give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter. And don't forget also that I do have a discount code for Miss You Beauty, which I will link below along with all the products that I used in this video. And I also do have another channel, a beauty channel, where I do like unboxing of beauty subscription boxes and beauty hauls and things like that. So don't forget to head over to that one. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.